Okay, so I'm a little confused because it's 10:30 p.m. out here and it looks really bright still. Like it's giving very much 5 p.m. No, it's giving 5 p.m. New York winter, 5 8 p.m. No, 7 p.m. New York summer. Like what is going on? It's 10 p.m. Look how light it is out here. My balcony view is so beautiful and so peaceful. I don't usually do the jazzy stuff, but why not eat breakfast outside, right? With this beautiful ocean sound. Oh, look, this ship was parked all day over here and now it's sailed. Have fun, sluts. Bitch, 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 ah! Yeah, yeah.